Okay, class, I'm going to show you how to do 1.4, which is subtracting integers. Okay, 1.4. So earlier this week I showed you how to add integers. This is very much like adding integers. So every subtraction problem, you can rewrite it as an addition problem. Okay, so if you just understand that much, doing these problems will be much easier. Okay, and also a negative number times a negative number is a positive number. Okay, so two things to keep in mind. All right, so how do we do number one? Okay, notice that here you have a negative 9 minus 4. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this problem. Okay, this problem, the way you rewrite it is negative 9 plus a negative 4. Okay, that's how you rewrite the problem. Okay, so the two numbers are negative, and now you know what to do once you rewrite the problem as an in addition problem. Okay, so we just do what we did before. We're going to use 9 negative signs for the 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then use 4 negative signs for the other 4 numbers. And you notice we can't pair anything up, so then we just have to count all of them together and you get 13. They're all negative, so the answer to negative 9 minus 4 is negative 13. And the trick is to rewrite using an addition. Okay, all right, this one here, this is what I mean when I said a negative times a negative is positive. Okay, right here. Okay, negative times negative is positive. So all of a sudden this problem turns into a 7 plus 8, and you know how to do that. We don't need to put signs down. Okay, that's just positive 15. All right, okay, this one here, again, you already know 9 minus 8 is just 1. So some problems are very easy. You don't have to rewrite it, but some problems you would need to rewrite. Okay, that number 7. Okay, so again, a negative next to a negative is positive, so right away it turns to a positive. And now you are adding these two numbers. One is negative and one is positive. So I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4 signs, 4 negative signs for the 4. And I'm going to use, 13 plus is 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice that when the signs are different, I put them on top of each other, okay? So you should do the same thing too, so you can easily pair them up. So I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3. These all have partners. I can cross them out, and I am left with how many? 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm left with 9 positive signs. So my answer is going to be positive 9. You don't have to put the positive sign. You can if you want to. All right, so one more. Number 9. Again, rewrite this as an addition problem. So negative 13 plus a negative 6. Okay, so hopefully by now you should know that when you add two negative numbers, the answer becomes more negative. But if you still don't know, then we'll just have to use signs. Okay, so we're gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna use another 6 negatives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's nothing to pair up, so count all of these signs and you'll notice you have 19 of them. So the answer is negative 19. Okay, hopefully you got this. And no, let me do one more. This one here. Okay, so rewrite this as an addition problem also. 6 plus a negative 11. Use your signs. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I use your negative sign for the 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pair them up. Okay, so you have 5 of these left. It's all negative, so the answer is negative 5. Okay, so another way of looking at this is when you are adding positive and negative numbers, you take the final answer will be the will have the sign of the bigger value. Okay, so 6 and 11 is bigger, so therefore you keep the sign and then you subtract the two numbers. But if you don't want to learn the rules, you can just use positive and negative signs and do the problem just fine. Okay, so this is what you are doing when you are subtracting numbers. So it's, again, every subtraction problem is an addition problem. Okay, bye.